While we were eagerly waiting for September 17th, the official launch of the Mini 5 Pro, we were surprised by an unboxing video posted on the 13th, revealing in detail all the items of the Fly More Combo Plus. This was probably a mistake, and the original video has already been removed from the channel. However, copies are now appearing on other channels as reaction videos. But we know this drone is officially set to launch on September 17th. I'm even in a WhatsApp group from an official DJI reseller for the pre-sale of this drone, and the group is called New DJI Drone, September 17th. I also got information that some units of this drone are already in stock at official stores, and many influencers already have it in hand, recording their unboxing and test flight videos. But DJI has banned the release of any content until the official date. So let's focus on this recent leak, posted by Jasper Ellens, who wrote a great article with everything we need to know about the specs of the new Mini 5 Pro. We already know the camera will have a 1-inch sensor, capable of shooting 4K at 120 frames per second, but now it's been revealed that the total resolution will be 50 megapixels. Just for comparison, the main camera of the Air 3S also has the same size and resolution. We also know that this camera will have usable rotation up to 225 degrees, since the gimbal can actually move a bit more, reaching a total of 330 degrees. This is necessary to compensate for the drone's movement, and it will also have a pre-programmed position to stay fixed at 90 degrees, making it easier to capture full-quality images for social media. The lens will be 24mm with a wide 1.8 aperture, allowing more light to enter so the 1-inch sensor can capture beautiful images in darker environments, such as late afternoon or even nighttime landscapes. With the new 48mm telemedia mode, it simulates a 2x lens, offering higher image resolution than the digital zoom of the previous series, making objects stand out with more texture and adding depth to the images. The camera will also have the top features of professional drones: 10-bit recording, 14 stops of dynamic range, and D-Log-M and HLG modes, providing more flexibility in post-production. This is a major advantage for more advanced editing, as it preserves more dynamic range information, allowing for cinematic quality images. The next feature had already been revealed in the first leak. The Mini 5 will have a modern omnidirectional obstacle detection and avoidance system with a front LiDAR sensor, which greatly improves efficiency, especially in low-light environments. This is a new trend, which became even more evident after the Mavic 4 launch, where it was revealed that the new high-resolution fisheye-type sensors are 625% better, and their new placement reduced blind spots by 66%. The sensors on the Mini 5 seem to be in the same position as those on the Mini 4, but they should be more modern and efficient, mainly because the big difference will be in image processing, which is likely advanced a lot with the help of artificial intelligence, allowing obstacles to be detected more accurately and targets to be tracked more precisely. Speaking of targets, the next item on this list is about that, but it's not entirely new, as it already existed on other mini drones: the active track feature, which is used to follow runners, cyclists, and other moving targets. The big update is that it has been significantly improved, making this feature faster and smarter. Now it can identify the type of sport being practiced and adapt in a personalized way to each style. This is possible thanks to the new dual-band GNSS GPS system, which allows connection to more satellites, improving signal stability and positioning accuracy. In standard mode, the drone follows your path in real time, keeping altitude and distance constant. In cycling mode, it reacts faster to curves and speed changes, maintaining perfect focus and framing on the target. The next feature was a very smart decision by DJI. The Mini 5 Pro will use the O4 Plus transmission system, with a range of 20 to 30 kilometers and full HD 10-bit video. This system is very reliable and is present in the most modern DJI drones, controllers, and goggles, and it's the same system used by the Mavic 4 Pro. This means that, theoretically, the Mini 5 will also be compatible with the RC Pro 2 controller, and nothing prevents DJI from releasing a Mini 5 Pro Creator Combo in the future. The next item on this list just confirmed what the leaks had already suggested. Flight time with the standard battery will be up to 36 minutes. We also know that the Mini 5 Pro's batteries and charger have exactly the same shape as the Mini 4 Pro, Mini 3 Pro, and Mini 3. We don't know if these will be fully compatible with each other, but physically they look the same, which will excite many users. The Mini 5 Pro will have two battery models. The Plus, included in this combo, will provide an impressive 52 minutes of flight time, but it will make the drone heavier, exceeding 250 grams. The other battery is a standard model, keeping the drone under 249 grams and offering 36 minutes of autonomy. In this post, he presented this image showing prices in euros for 3 combos that will be sold in Europe. The first is the most complete Fly More combo, which will include the RC2 controller with a screen and 3 Plus batteries. This combo didn't have a price revealed in the previous image. The second Fly More combo will also include the RC2 controller and 3 batteries, but they will be the standard model. This combo will be sold for 1,159 euros. The third Fly More combo is the most economical, including the RCN3 controller without a screen and 3 standard batteries. This combo will be sold for 1,029 euros. Finally, there is a non-Fly More combo that will only include the drone with the RCN3 controller and 1 standard battery. This combo will be sold for 819 euros. In this article, I noticed the absence of some features that weren't mentioned, such as the new button on the side of the drone. Everything suggests it will provide access to QuickShot's flight modes without needing a controller. This feature was introduced with the Neo, which has the button on the front, and it's also present on the Flip, which has the same button on the side of the drone. This was a highly requested feature by many users, as it's very useful for quickly and easily capturing videos and photos with pre-programmed, precise movements. It's also very likely that the Mini 5 Pro will support other control methods, working directly through the app or via voice commands.
Hey Fly, take a droney.
This feature is also present on the Neo and Flip and has been very popular. I also noticed the absence of propeller guards, as this accessory is a new feature made exclusively for the Mini 5 Pro, which will be the first drone with quick-release propellers that have the guards built in. Notice their unique design, with triangular surfaces at the tips. The guards also have small tabs in strategic points, likely designed to compensate for lift and reduce noise. This was a summary of everything you need to know about the Mini 5 Pro. Now all that's left is to hold our excitement and wait a few more days for the official launch. If you enjoyed this video,